Ranking male rappers. Let's see. Lil Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Number 10. Let's see. All tough. Number 7. Very good. 21 garbage. Number 5. Let's see. Offside. Football. No goal. Number 9. I know. Let's. Dragon. Number 4. Very nice. Eric Lomar. Number 8. Very nice. Let me cry. Paul Scholes. Number 6 from Manchester University. I know. Richie Rich. I know the movie. Number 3. Let's see. Let me cry. Past tense. Number 2. And number 1, the best rapper is NBA Young Girl.